committed suicide, and that was her. That was a picture of her. So that's, yeah. So that's what I thought that picture was really, really cool. He had posted, and I asked him if he could draw it. Yeah. It just spoke to me. That picture I thought it was really cool.
I'm not gonna even lie. Some days it is just so mood around here. It's just so vibe. I'm telling you, this place is just, it's become just such a piece of me. It's just so beautiful. I love moving even within it, the different rooms I can just go into and just have a different vibe in that room each time, vibe differently. Then I can move to another place and be in a whole nother vibe of just color and just, man, I'm telling you, you guys are just sleeping on just a beautiful place. It's just a nice place to vibe, have a great time, you know, pick up something nice for a family member. Hey, it's that time. All right, got the studio all set up, ready for the shoot. Yes, this is gonna be fun. All right, look at those colors. My goodness, that whole set looks so awesome. I love that backdrop. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears in that backdrop. All right, coming up. For this, it's gonna look much better. It's gonna be it'll be a whole different look. You know? Just made a custom lamp for my bathroom. It was driving me crazy not having any light in it, so put up a nice little lamp. Really sets the bathroom off nice now. Custom made, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Looks nice in here. Look at that. Now it's not all dark. I want to paint that so bad. All right. I'm headed down to San Jose, going to see my little bro. But at the same time, I have to make a delivery to a good friend. Um, um, just been so great to me over the years. Gave me an opportunity to play at his restaurants and his bars when I was coming up and helped me establish my name and helped me establish my talent, my art in the community. helped me get other gigs. You know, it was just, he's just a beautiful, beautiful friend. So shout out to Cam Ravi, owner of Capers in San Jose and the Loft in downtown San Jose. And we're gonna go and gift him this beautiful painting. And yeah, that's the thing we're doing today. Me and my friend. Looks like she's getting the car ready. Oh, look at that. Getting everything all set up for the road trip. What's up, Jai? You good? She's a girl of few words, but a lot of energy. A lot of energy. So, okay, that's what we're doing. We road tripping down to the San Joe to make a delivery. All right, here we come. All right, we are pulling up to the restaurant. That did not take long at all. We are here. There's Capers right there, where I'm gonna be dropping off the painting to my homie. So we're looking forward to that. We'll be inside in a bit.
All right, we are with Kayla Desad with this beautiful painting for his client. We are at this location. Where are we at? Capers? Uh-oh, it's just falling off.
No, I'm gonna give them to him.
Okay. All right. Mm-hmm. That's amazing.
Okay, I don't know, you said you want to do another song, right? And then Maddie, if you want to do the 77. Oh yeah, the song, you're gonna play too.
Can I get a picture with you?
Yeah, take those off. Yeah. All right, awesome, you guys. Thank you.
Okay,
Hi.
this is
It is a pleasure to meet you as well.
Fellow
Yeah.
artist and just beautiful person.
yeah,
So,
it was one of
take
the
away
songs
from
that
this.
actually, like, expanded my vocal.
Nice, all right. So what you do
But,
is, when you paint it, wherever
this
you
is
hang it
sample
at,
random.
just drop it in the bottom of it. Every now and then, it's just gonna have a breeze come off of it of that smell.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah. It just drops right down in there, yeah.
Beautiful.
Right in
I'm
the
grateful,
dirt.
man.
I am. I don't know if you saw it, but I had put on my Facebook. I appreciate your friendship so much. I used to play in that corner for 2.5 years. And I did it all for me.
Oh.
So I want to
Yes.
make sure that I am being grateful and thankful for those friendships. Thank you so very much.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
Love it. So beautiful.
And when I made it, I thought of you. That's why I reached out to you and said, you know, I want to gift you
What we
this.
need is a little more color in that place.
Thank you.
Look forward.
And this one is nice too because there's some elements to it as well too. If you have a black light on it, it's really going to show up with some of these, some of these other movements that are in there are really going to start to come out a little bit more as well too.
How beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, no, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so
All
much.
right,
And
thank
you're
you.
lucky.
Thank you. So I think this big old billboard says it all. I put it at about 50 by 65, something like that. So it's pretty big. Yeah, it came out pretty nice. I had no idea, I had no thought, and then something just said, love one another. Means love one another. And that's all it is. That's what it's about. Love one another. We don't get to choose who was made. That was somebody else's gig, so just love. Just love. That's it. Just do that one part, and if we each one would love one, we then would love all. I think I'm gonna do 2 more.